One of the things I hate, absolutely hate about this car is that there's no damn park button. Oh my goodness. There's absolutely no park button. So whenever I have to put my car in park, because I need, you know, to get out the car or whatever, I literally have to cut the car off. Like so, just to put the car in park. See, once the car is in drive, as you can see now, the car is in drive, right? There's absolutely no park button. So what do I have to do? While the car is in drive or reverse, never do it in neutral because the car will still roll. But when the car is in drive or reverse, you have to hit the start stop button. And then that puts the car in park, as you can see. But suppose I'm not doing what I'm doing, but I want to keep the car running. So then I have to start the car back up. But now, see, it's still in park. That's the only way you can put the car in park. The only way. So that's one of the things I hate. One of the other things that I hate is that there's no park sensors in the front of the car. Only in the back. For instance, when I hit the car in reverse, you can hear and see the park sensors. But for the front of the car, it is not the same. There's no parking sensors at all. So that's definitely one of the things I hate, because you never know how close you are to a curb or whatever. And the car sits really low, so it's very important. You have to be very cautious when you're parking in a parking space that has those little guardrails or whatever, those guards. You have to be real careful that you don't tear up your bumper in the front. So that's just one of the things I hate. They could have easily put a parking sensor on there. And actually, they could have put a front-facing camera. That would have been great as well. A front-facing camera would have been huge. Would have been a great benefit. For now, I'm going to show you guys what I mean by how frustrating it is to not have an actual park button. I mean, it sounds like something that's like so minute, but you'd never be amazed at how much you stop your car just to do little tasks, but you want to keep it running because you want to keep the air conditioner going. Especially out here in Arizona where it's hot as hell. So check this out. I'm going to my mailbox, right? The car's in drive. There's no park button. No park button. So what do I have to do? Stop the car. But like I said, it's hot as hell outside. So, in order to keep the air conditioner running, I start the car back up again, just so the car can stay in park and just so the AC unit can stay on. How frustrating is that? Very. But I still love the car. I still love the car. One of the things I don't like about the car is that there's no cup holder for the back seat. I need to clean that cup holder like I spilled something. There's no cup holder. Also, there's no sunroof in this car. No moonroof. Absolutely no moonroof in this car. I think now you can get it as an option though. But that's one of the things I hate about this car. When I got it, there was no option for a moonroof. Or at least I didn't get it. And no, I didn't forget number 5. Number 5 is keeping the damn car clean. I hate it. I really do.